channel. My name is Jessica. If you don't know that already, I love all things makeup and beauty, and I am also a mother, so I do apologize for my children in advance. For today's look, as you can see, we got this really nice pink moment going on, you know, some glitter. It got hot as fuck, so I had to actually throw my hair up. So, you know, don't mind my hair today. Usually, you know, I always have it down. But yeah. So today I used my Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette to create this look. So if you are curious to see me use it, or you just want to hang out, then please do just keep on watching. So I went ahead and primed my eyelid using my P. Louise base in the shade number 2. I'm going to be taking my Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I'm going to start by taking this shade right here called Positivity. I'm going to take it on a big fluffy Morphe brush. And I'm just going to work this into my crease up towards my brow bone. And then once that is nice and blended out really well, I'm going to take the red called Living My Best, and I'm just going to deepen everything up all in my crease. Back in with the previous brush, just make sure everything's nice and soft. Now I'm going to take the shade right here called Crazy, which is just like a dark maroon color, and I'm really just gonna deepen the outer portion, like about to right here. And then just like this little half shape right there, I'm going to deepen. And then I'm going to go back in with both of the previous colors to just make sure nothing got lost and blend everything nice and smooth together. Just like that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut out my crease. Oof, I am so freaking hot. I had to throw my hair up. Couldn't do it. So I cut my crease, and I went ahead and I used the blank canvas by P. Louise. And originally I wasn't gonna go in with glitter, but then I decided, you know, I need some glitter. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna take this shade right here called Drama Queen, which actually has like pinkish reddish flecks in it. I don't know, it's really, really pretty. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to pack it down all over the lid where the blank canvas shade is. Just look at that. I just feel like that sits so nice on top of that base, like honestly. And then I'm going to go back in with the very first shade we used, Positivity. And I'm just going to work that in to these ends a little bit. And then I'm going to take some of Living My Best.
Ooh.
all those vibes. I love the color combination. I'm gonna take my Spoiled Cosmetics Holy Grail glitter palette. Oops, I just stuck my finger into the shade, which looks like this. I'm gonna take this shade right here, and what I do for my glitter is I take my lash glue, line it up, like so. So I just went all along that line, and then I just take little bits of the glitter and press it down. So now you're probably thinking, oh, this bitch is fucking tripping. Look at all that glitter. So I'm gonna take my spoolie. I'm gonna take a nice soft spoolie, and I'm gonna, everywhere where that glue like isn't, I'm just gonna lightly spoolie it all away. So now I'm gonna take my Pretty Vulgar gel liner and, you know, use it. And then I'm just gonna take a small brush, the brush that I blended out that like dark maroon shade with, and I'm just gonna blend this black line into my makeup look. That way it kind of blends a little bit more seamless, you know. So I'm just gonna quickly do my face makeup, and then we can come back and finish the eyes. Okay, so my face is on, and I felt like some of the shadows were a bit powdery, so I wanted to leave my nose contour on, a little bit of powder on my eyes as well. So I'm thinking, so I'm gonna start by taking my Illuminati gel paint liner, and this one is in Electric Pink. I think I'm gonna pop this into my waterline. And then I'm going to take the shade Crazy, which is the darkest shadow that I used. And then I'll take the shade Living My Best, which is the red shade. And then I'm gonna take this same fluffy brush and very carefully just smudge that out. I'm gonna take this shade right here called I'm In It, which is like a white with like a pinky purple reflex. And I'm gonna put this on my inner corner and brow bone. I'm going to take my Cavalli lashes in the style Maui. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and throw my lippy on, which I suck at doing, so that's why I never do it on camera. And then we can come back and see the completed look. Here is the completed look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. There will definitely be plenty more where this one came from. I'm definitely feeling the pink vibes. So yeah. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and we're gonna go ahead and roll the clip.